Donation Kiosk. The new updated version has a different design for adding the donation screen. You can still prompt the user on both, either the donation name or purpose or the amount. Or you can decide to enter the amount here, like so, right? Or you can enter the donation reason, like so. Okay, and let's go ahead and add that. So we have this and we have it twice, but you know, good enough for demo purposes. And the settings here, the donation kiosk screen design settings, and there are settings broken down into background settings, header title, this is for the text, body settings, color, or you have the title settings, this is text, the donation text, and you have color. So you can clearly change this to whatever color you'd like. Let's go ahead and give it this color here, and let's give it, I don't think we'll match it close enough, but here it is. Then there is different design, so this is the text you can change now, and you can change the format, or rather the font design, and the size. So I've added 67 just to show how big it can get, and this is for the header, and this here is for the actual donation question, and those fonts can be controlled differently. Let's ask this one so you can see how different it can get. Alright, so we just made a bunch of different design changes. Let's go ahead and hit start, and there, this is what we've done. I mean, you know, if this is what you're going for, clearly we can do better, but you get the idea. A lot of the design can be managed now, and this is the section for the reports. So we've already done a few, we've done one payout. Here it is. Let's quickly do a few more. We even get a receipt for it. Alright, why not? There it is. Let's do one more. So there's one more. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly pay that one. Great. Next. No. Alright, so let me exit out of this screen real quick. Now I'm gonna go to reports, and there's a number of transactions that's been done for different reasons, and we can print out the report based on reason, or we can also do it ungrouped, just simply today, right? This is the chronological version of it. And so here are the two reports. This is the first one. It looks like this, right? And this is the second one. It looks like that. All right, and this is the reporting. So these are the new updates to the Donation Kiosk app. Hope you like it. Thank you.